Hello and welcome to the May and June edition of the Parking Network News Roundup. I'm your host Manoj, and today we're covering the 5 standout stories from across the industry, ranging from global brand alignments and strategic partnerships to practical parking innovations and major acquisitions. Let's get into it. We begin with a major development from EasyPark Group. The company is bringing all of its services together under a single global identity, Arrive. The strategic move supports our ambition to build world-leading mobility platform, working collaboratively with cities, drivers, and partners. Cameron, CEO of Arrive, shared the following. Arrive's vision of making cities more livable is an inherited testament to the work EasyPark Group, Floberg Group, and Parkopedia achieved individually over the last 20 years. We're building the world's leading global mobility platform. We can't do it alone. We can only do it together with cities, with riders, and with drivers. Arrive is tomorrow's mobility platform. Orbility has officially launched its new Global Partners Program, marking a big step in its international growth strategy. The initiative is designed to give partners the tools and support they need to scale locally while benefiting from Orbility's global expertise. Here's Baptiste, CRO at Orbility, with more on the launch.
Orbility is delighted to announce a new partners program. We are expanding internationally and we want to grow with like-minded entrepreneurs. So we just wrapped up the 3 days kick-off event in Paris where we brought all our partners together. And this program is all about giving more resources, corporate support, and everything our partners need to develop and scale their own business.
Survision has introduced a refreshed logo, removing the license plate recognition baseline to better reflect the broader vision. While LPR remains at the core of their offering, Survision is now incorporating additional data such as vehicle classification and make, paving the way for even more precise vehicle identification. Here's a message from Jacques, CEO of Survision.
Survision is evolving and we felt the need to reflect this evolution in our logo. Our logo now comes without the license plate recognition baseline. License plate recognition remains at the heart of the services we provide to the parking operators and their integrators, but we recently added additional data such as classification and make. All of this is useful for vehicle identification, but even more for matching in a very precise way entry with exit, which is mandatory for ticketless and barrierless parking lots.
In Carcassonne, France, hub parking technology has addressed a dual challenge in a mixed-use parking area, managing high visitor traffic while preventing residents from occupying customer spaces long-term. To tackle this, Hub deployed an integrated solution combining LPR technology, web-based validation, intercom support, and a mobile app for resident subscriptions. Here's Ivan, GM for FAC France, with more.
Hello, this is Ivan Somma, GM for FAC France. I'm happy to tell you more about our project in a mixed-use parking area in Carcassonne. 2 challenges. First one with high-traffic visitor to many different shops, and second, resident cars squatting the places for customers. So we offer LPR technology and 3 integrated solutions: web validation, an integration with an excellent intercom assistance, and an integration with a reservation mobile app, offering subscription for residents. So, a parking success.
We close this episode with a major acquisition. Tikehau Capital has acquired EYSA Group, one of the leading players in smart urban mobility. The partnership will accelerate EYSA's international growth and align with Tikehau's focus on sustainable infrastructure. Javier, CEO of EYSA, shared. We are proud of the transformation journey EYSA has undertaken in recent years, consolidating our position as a reference player in smart mobility solutions with a growing international footprint. We're excited to embark on this new chapter alongside Tikehau Capital, a partner whose strategic vision and long-term commitment to decarbonization are fully aligned with our roadmap to building more sustainable and efficient mobility solutions. That wraps up this edition of the Parking Network News Roundup. Thanks again to all contributors, and as always, head over to parking.net for full coverage on these stories and more. See you next time for another edition of the News Roundup or other updates from the Parking Network community.